internet. It's Tuesday, and it's drone flying day, and I was so excited to start flying my drone around Hawaii, and found out that as of June, which I had no idea happened, I had to take a test and pass it in order to fly anywhere in the US. And so I should have known. It said the test would take about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, but it actually only took 10. And so I have my certificate of completion, so now I can fly. Whew. And I had to take it all on my phone.